kinda. We're thirsty. We're waiting. Look, this feels like creep stream right now. T-minus 1 minute. So to be fair, his sign says like past 2, like 2-ish, like Niji si. So like we're waiting at like exactly 2 p.m. Hen no oji-san JJ, creepy. Yeah, with this fucking hair going crazy at the minute, I need a shower. This is silly. Creepy JJ. It's fine. We're a customer. We're like waiting for the alcohol. I need a drink. Open the bar. Got the shakes. Knock on the door at 2 p.m. Just fucking like dum dum dum. Why aren't you open? Dum dum dum. JJ, this is fine. This is not weird at all. No, this is totally fine. This isn't weird. I'm not like stood waiting desperately for someone to open up the bar. I'm getting face palmed by wifey. I've been trying to go here for ages. Every time I come, he's shut, and he has a sign saying, "Jiharu, are you proud of your husband?" He has a sign saying, "I'll be open after 2." Totally not alcoholic. No, not yet. I haven't got to the point where I'm sniffing the hand sanitizer just yet. Did it say 2 p.m.-ish of what day? So, okay, so because of the... Nara isn't under a emergency declaration. They're under a advisory kind of thing. So, with Osaka, they literally can't sell alcohol in the shops at the moment, I think. Nara, however, is like closing, like voluntary closing early, is I think how they're doing it. So, the... shops will be closing by 8, I think, is what it is. And because they're closing by 8, usually he would be open from 3 until like 11. Now he's opening from 1 until 8. You don't think it opens today? He literally has a sign on the door. Wait, is that sign from yesterday? Oh no, wait. Wait, really? Is that sign from yesterday and he just hasn't taken it down? No, today. Today's the 2nd, right? Easy, look. Knock on the door. Hello, are you there, beer? That's today. That's today. We good. We're not fully debated. I mean, it is 2 p.m. We could just knock. Moshi, Biru-san. Nice try, Jiharu. 2 p.m.-ish equals 4 p.m. Oh my god. I mean, if that's what it takes, I am staying here until this fucking bar opens. I've been trying to go here for the past 3 weeks, and every time I come, it's closed. I'm gonna sit here. This is what you get. We are sitting here. We are staying until this fucking bin gets out of the way. This place. We are waiting. I'm sleeping on the street. It's fine. I will stay until he opens this place.